Hey everyone, welcome back. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to clear Instagram search suggestions or delete your Instagram search suggestions. Without further ado, let's get started. Now just head on and open up our Instagram application right here. And from here, we can just click on this magnifying glass icon right beside our home icon and click on the search bar over here. And then it should, your recent searches should pop up on here. And you can just click on this little X icon if you want to remove one recent search you have. So I'm just going to click on this little X icon. But if you want to clear all at once, you can click on the See All option. And you can click on Clear All right there. So you can clear your search history with one click. And take note that you won't be able to undo this. If you clear your search history, you may still see accounts you've searched for as suggested results. So we can't really completely clear the Instagram search suggestions. However, you can clear it from your search bar and from your recent searches. So you can just click on Clear All and note on that information. If this does not work, make sure that your Instagram is up to date through your app store right here. You can search for Instagram through your app store or Play Store if you have an Android and search for Instagram and check if it is up to date. So that is how you can basically clear Instagram search suggestions. So that is all for this tutorial. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment them down below. Thank you all for watching and have a great day.